Once upon a time, over a century ago, there were two rivers. They flowed side by side, born from the same source, growing together through sunshine and rain, supporting diverse ecosystems along their banks. These were the rivers of Abbott Laboratories, a healthcare pioneer founded by the visionary Dr. Wallace C. Abbott. For over a century, Abbott Laboratories flowed like a mighty river through the landscape of healthcare, carving channels into diagnostics, medical devices, nutritionals, and pharmaceuticals. Founded in 1888 by Dr. Wallace C. Abbott, it grew through innovation and acquisition, a vast, diversified entity improving lives worldwide. But by the early 21st century, the currents within the river had grown distinct. The fast-moving, high-risk, high-reward rapids of research-based pharmaceuticals pulled differently than the broad, steady flow of diversified medical products. In 2013, a strategic decision was made, echoing the age-old wisdom of divide and conquer. Abbott Laboratories deliberately split its flow. The original Abbott River retained its name, focusing its formidable strength on its established domains. Diagnostics that peered into the body, medical devices that mended and monitored, nutritionals that sustained life, and established medicines. Simultaneously, a powerful new river surged forth, AbbVie, inheriting the research-intensive pharmaceutical arm dedicated to discovering and launching cutting-edge therapies, particularly in complex areas like immunology and oncology. This division was designed for focus. Each company could now tailor its investments, attract specific investors, and navigate its unique regulatory and market challenges more nimbly. AbbVie could pour resources into the expensive, long-term gamble of drug discovery, while Abbott could optimize its diverse portfolio of essential healthcare products. For years, the strategy proved successful. Both rivers carved deeper, distinct paths, becoming leaders in their respective fields. Abbott's diagnostic tools became sharper, its devices smarter. AbbVie brought transformative drugs like 𝗗𝗓𝗓𝗢𝗓𝗓𝗡, relentlessly pursuing breakthroughs in challenging diseases. The division seemed complete, logical, and successful. But then came a new, unexpected current: artificial intelligence. AI emerged not as a gentle stream, but a digital flood sea capable of processing information on a scale previously unimaginable. It thrived on data, identifying subtle patterns invisible to the human eye, accelerating analysis, prediction, and creation. And it began to subtly reshape the landscape, revealing unseen connections between the two rivers. AbbVie embraced AI with fervor, using it to dramatically accelerate the arduous 10 to 15-year journey of drug discovery. AI algorithms sifted through billions of data points, genomic, clinical, molecular, identifying promising drug targets, predicting molecule efficacy, optimizing clinical trial designs, and even analyzing real-time patient data from wearables to gauge treatment response. Their goal: deliver life-changing therapies in potentially half the time. Simultaneously, Abbott began integrating AI into its own domains. AI sharpened the vision of diagnostic imaging, helping radiologists spot anomalies earlier. It made medical devices more intuitive, personalizing performance based on real-time patient data. AI analyzed manufacturing processes for greater efficiency and predicted disease progression based on subtle diagnostic markers. Each company was mastering AI within its carefully divided territory. But here lies the silver lining: the unexpected convergence point revealed by the AI current. The very division that gave each company focus also created unique, powerful datasets. AI doesn't just thrive on data, it thrives on diverse data. Suddenly, the information generated by Abbott's sophisticated diagnostics and legions of intelligent medical devices held immense potential value for AbbVie's AI-driven drug discovery engines. Real-world diagnostic data that identify patient subgroups most likely to benefit from a specific AbbVie therapy, or even reveal entirely new biological targets. Conversely, data on how patients responded to AbbVie's cutting-edge treatments could feed back into Abbott's systems, refining diagnostic algorithms to predict treatment success earlier or helping personalize the settings on Abbott's devices for optimal therapeutic support. the AI current began to create eddies and flows between the two rivers. And so the tale of the two rivers becomes a story of synergy. The rivers may not merge, but they can complement each other beautifully. Abbott and AbbVie, once part of the same flowing whole, are now stronger, deeper, and more focused through their separation. Yet the unexpected surge of AI has revealed a new current, a silver lining that binds them together in a way that was not possible when they were one. The data-driven insights from decades of collective healthcare experience are poised to catalyze a new era of faster, more precise, and ultimately more effective healthcare. As AI continues to reshape the digital landscape, the two rivers, once divided, now have the opportunity to come together in new ways, guided by the flow of data and driven by the shared purpose of improving lives through healthcare.